Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can trade with the trend and take out consistent profits on the way. So let's get started. As you can see here, this is this I have pulled up a stock of Unity shares. You can see here that the trade is that this stock is trending in an upward direction. So to trade this trend, how would you recognize that this will become an upward trend? Meaning that how it will it become a bullish trend. So as you can see here that this is a this star, whenever this star when this type of star appears in bullish, like in the green, so it means that the market will go up. You can also see from the candlestick above here, this opened above and closed below, but it did open above, and this one also opened here and closed here. So by noticing the three candlesticks above, you can place your long position here and close that position right here or here. So as you trade with the trend, you can also short your position at different levels, like here. Whenever the it opens up and closes below its opening level, and the same here, so you can short your position here, but this is not a clear pattern of you can short your position here, because these are only two candlesticks, not three or four. So you cannot profit from it. You cannot gain much of the profit from this one. As you go along here at this level right here, these are four candlesticks, five candlesticks. You can short your position here, and by not closing that long position which you have placed over here at these levels, so you can short your position here again at these levels also, and gain a consistent amount of profit as the trend goes along its direction. Another position is a great position right here. Although you do not know of how the market will do, but there are certain indicators that tells you how the market will perform, how will it take its next step. So I have showed you the few methods of the candlestick, and also you can take a look at its relative strength index, how it will do in its future. So you can see here that it was an overbought area. As you can see here at these level, where it is this level, this was an overbought area, so it will eventually come down again, like here, as it did here. So you, for this person, you will have to use your indicators as well, um, and also if you want to be like if you want to gain your profits and don't want to lose it, so you have to place your stop loss, place your stop loss in place, so you do not lose much of your profit. And in this case here, as you can see here, that the prices are trending like in a sideways pattern here. And whenever this another method I want to show you is, you can see that these the parabolics are, let me make it a bit bigger. You can see these parabolics are that these are below the candlestick. Whenever they are below the candle, they are pushing the prices up in the upward direction. They are not allowing this method, like whenever this the parabolic star is below the candlesticks, they are not allowing these act as a support level for the candlesticks, for the prices, and push the prices in upward direction, not allowing them to go down. As you can see here, they've touched each other, the candlestick and the parabolics are touched each other here, but they do not change course and moved in an upward direction. Over here, the candlestick is now trading above the the parabolic star is trading above the candlesticks and pushing the prices down, just as it did here. So you can also know from this method, this trick as well, of how you can take profit from it, and from the candlestick method as well. As you can see here, they traded for in a sideways pattern, and now they changed course over here, opened here and closed below, and up till this point. And you can close your position right here because it's a bullish candlestick. And you can also see here that at this level that it changed course, that now it has rise risen from its it's from its oversold area. You can see right here, and now it's trading here. So that was for an uptrend. What about a downtrend? What would you do in a downtrend? So you can see here, this is a downtrend like this. You can see that the candlestick opened above and closed below, the same here. So you can short your position at the second or third candlestick, and by noticing these indicators as well, the parabolics are and the moving average with and the RSI. I use these. So whatever you use, you have to know according to you have to adjust according adjust your method trading method according to those indicators. So you can see here that all of these shows that the course will change, and it did here, and they came to this to a low of here. You can see at this level. So you can close your position here, or whenever this occurs, this green candlestick occur this type, a star occurs in the bottom, a green star occurs at the bottom, it means that the trend will that the stock will become bullish from now on. And whenever it is at the top of a stock, and it's a bearish candlesticks, meaning that it will become a downtrend. In the side trend, you will have to ignore this candlestick. So what about this one? You can also apply the same principles at this one also, and I've showed to you how you can trade a side trend. Buy here and sell at this level, buy below the moving average and sell above the moving average. And you can also know from the indicator as well. You can see that this was an oversold area, and immediately it became an overbought area. It became bullish at these levels. So you have to adjust these as well to recognize where is the overbought area and where is the oversold area. In this case, this is the overbought area, this 59 level, and this one is the oversold area, the 33 level. You can see here. So you have to place these two position as your so these 2 points, the 59 and the 33 level, acts as overbought and oversold area. So you will have to whenever you buy, you will have to buy above the 33 level and sell below the 59 level. Maybe you can wait for it about the 59 level, you can wait for it and sell above the 59 level. In some cases it might reach, but in other cases, sell as it gives you as you know it gives you profit. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.